Hospitality Buzz, the inside scoop.
Today we are talking to Mr. Iftikhar Hamdani, the General Manager for Ramada Ajman and the Ramada Beach Hotel in UAE. Mr. Hamdani started his career as a Director of Sales and Marketing with Ramada Ajman. He was promoted as a General Manager with Ramada Ajman and now as a Cluster General Manager with both Ramada Ajman and Ramada Beach Hotel. Mr. Hamdani, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Tell us about your contribution to the property. You have been in this property for quite some time now.
I joined in September 2009. When I joined a property, property was not going good in sales. Occupancy was not good. Well, this was the largest property in terms of rooms availability.
How many rooms?
We have total 504 rooms.
Oh, wow.
In Ramada Ajman. But they opened only 168 at that time because they were even unable to fill 168. So the major task for me was assigned by the general manager to fill the property. So with the different segments, I filled the property just in 2 months' time, and then I opened more rooms, and now total like 400 rooms are available in Ramada Ajman. That was not enough, and that's the reason that we bought this property where we are now. Today I'm 11 rooms overbooked, so we are looking for more expansion now.
According to you, what are the main things that attract a guest to the property? How do you retain your guest?
For me, it's very simple. I followed whatever I expect being a guest from any property.
Exactly.
So I stayed in a 5-star, 4-star, 3-star. In my opinion, that if you can keep a consistent food in your hotel, you can keep a neat and clean rooms. Don't spend too much on decoration, and give a good service, quality service.
Of course.
Definitely guests will repeat.
You have 2 properties in Ajman and I think 2 properties in Dubai.
Yes.
Any plans of opening more properties?
Yeah, we have the holding company, R Holdings, and then we develop our own, hospitality, R Hospitality.
Yes.
So we are getting, R Hospitality ready, and then we will have definitely more openings in different Emirates. Main focus is in Dubai and Ajman at the moment.
Okay.
But definitely we are looking for more opportunities, in other Emirates also at the same time.
Personally, you won a great reward recently. Tell me more about that.
It was actually the CSR activities.
Yes.
Hotelier Middle East Award, in Dubai they had chosen me as the champion of CSR 2013.
Okay.
So I was highly commended by the judges. It was great honor for me. But at the same time, we had lot of CSR activities. We donated, for Somalia 50,000 dirham, and that was contribution only by the staff.
Yes.
That was the first charity, because there is a saying that charity start from home. So that contribution was from my staff, myself and my team, and we were really proud of sending this money to Somalia when it was severe drought. Then we had second fashion show for the handicapped children in Ajman.
Yes,
it was really very big show. 550 people they came, and they witnessed such a nice show where the handicapped children, they perform as a model along with professional models, and at the same time we had fundraise of 50,000 dirham for the handicapped children. Last ATM we had donated 100,000 dirham for the Niger. This contribution for the underweight children, and with our contribution, so many other companies contribute to Human Appeal International.
Yes.
Our all linen which is outdated, always we used to send through Human Appeal to different African countries. Round the year we have many small activities also in terms of charity. Okay. And then we have a major role in terms of environment also. We have the waste diversion, 90% divert from the landfill. That is, only hotel in Middle East, not only in Dubai.
Yes.
That we have daily 1 ton waste, and out of 1 ton waste, 90% is not going on landfill. So as an individual, as a company, we took this responsibility, and then we took as a challenge. We have a composter machine in our parking lot.
Yes.
A nice green room where we are doing recycling. We are reusing the same organic waste, which is a 60% of our total waste, and that composter machine in 24 hours convert this waste into compost, and that compost is food for my plant and urban farm.
How do you take care of your team?
For me, because I started my career as a reservation clerk in this country.
Yes.
In 2000.
Yes.
So personally, I felt all the problems, whatever the staff they face away from families. Most of the staff, they are expat. Not that all of them have families here.
Of course.
So whatever actually I faced problems, I'm just being a general manager, trying to give maximum comfort to my staff.
So you are set for the rapid fire round with me?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, excellent. Let me ask a simple question first. You are very successful in this profession. If it was any other profession, what would have been?
I would have good politician.
Your wife cooked something on a special occasion for you, but you already had dinner and you reached home. What would you do?
I did, I will confess, that I did, I mean.
So you will not eat
sometimes-
it?
No, I will eat definitely.
You will eat it?
I have to,
Some people get best ideas in different places. Where do you get your best ideas from?
My best idea is a drawing room.
Did you ever think of starting a business?
Yes, I mean, many time I think to start something. People always used to say that you are making money for others. And there is no doubt, Raj, when I started this Ramada Ajman, the GOP was, I just revealed you. I
So
mean,
this
GOP
is your
was-
own business now?
I mean, GOP was nothing. It was like not in a profit. And Alhamdulillah, now we are reaching in, I mean, very, very good figures.
What is something that you would have done when you were young, but now you would never do it? Something impulsive.
Yeah, I mean, I was naughty. I mean, in front of camera, I cannot reveal many things. But yes, I mean, there are many things. I mean, you do. But I mean, I'm a mature person now,
Of course.
so I'm changed.
Thank you very much for your time, sir. It was very nice talking to you.
Hospitality Buzz, the inside scoop.